The question is, express each of the following as a fraction. First is 36%. We have to convert 36% to a fraction, just like numerator by denominator. So solution 36, we have to divide 36 by 100. We can divide 36 1 and 8. 18 2 times is 36, and it is 5 and 0. Then after 9 times 2, 9 times is 18. Then after 2 and 5, 25. The fraction is 9 by 25. Second one, 120%. 120, again we have to divide 120 with 100. 2 6 ja 12, 0. 2 5 ja 10, 0. 5 1 ja 5, 12. 5 1 ja 5, 0. 2 6 and 5, 6 by 5. Third one is 0.8%. Again we have to divide 0.8 with 100. 0.8 100. We put multiplied by 10 numerator and denominator, so we get 8, and either here multiplied by 10 4 times, 5 times, 1 2 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 11 12, 125 by 1 by 125.